no one likes to talk about it. Some might get a little embarrassed, some may be a little queasy, but we have to make sure we talk about it before it hits the fan, if you know what I mean. Hi, I'm Candace Lubodrowski, Broker Associate at Walsh & Megan Premier Real Estate Group, and today we are talking septic systems in our Country Living series. Homes in rural areas are more often on a septic system instead of a public waste system, and because of this, homeowners need to make sure that they are educated on how it works and how to maintain them. Septic systems should be pumped and inspected every 3 to 5 years. A local septic company will be able to come out and pump your system, as well as inspect the integrity of your septic tank to make sure it's in proper working condition. When purchasing a pre-existing home, be sure to ask for the on-site sewer addendum. This specific form will let you know the last time the septic tank was pumped and where it's located. Your realtor can help you with this as well. If you're looking to add to the existing structure of your property, be sure that your septic tank can handle it. That is specifically correlated by the number of bathrooms, but more specifically the number of occupants that live in the home. Another thing to keep in mind is the actual age of the septic tank itself. They can last anywhere from 15 to 40 years. Believe me, I spend time explaining septic systems to my clients because the cost to repair and replace these items is very expensive. And if there is a leak somewhere, it can be detrimental to the environment and your family, and we do not want that. Don't let something as simple as a septic tank dissuade you from country living. Just be sure you have an agent that is knowledgeable and caring and can guide you in the right direction. It's imperative to make sure that your transition from city to country living is peaceful. This is Candace Lubodrowski, Broker Associate at Walsh & Megan Premier Real Estate Group. And if you like this video, be sure to stick around on my Facebook page for more in this Country Living series.